Well, this is weird. Putting footwear on for the first time in 15 days. Yep, this is it. What time is it? It's 7:05 in the morning. Just about ready to go. Showered, just having a coffee. Bags are pretty much packed. And then I'm out of here. Okay, goodbye. Nice view. Goodbye, digital thermometer. Goodbye, 14-day bedding. This makes me sad. Bye bye, beautiful, warm toilet. I'm gonna miss you, friend. Bye. I'm actually gonna miss this room. This was a good room. I have a bag, 2 bags, all packed. Left the room pretty much as I found it. Probably be a few of my beard hairs scattered around, but so yeah, pretty much as I found it. Let's look at that sunrise. Time is 7:25. Let's get out of here. Really forgot to put my mask on. Okay. Morning. Hello. How you doing? Okay, thank you. Hello. Good morning. God, I'm out, fresh air, bloody freezing as well. Morning. Okay, so made it to Seoul station. Just need to try and find a taxi. Get some. Need to get some cash. Go and try the station. See if there's some cash points in there. All good? Thank you. Palpangil.
팔판동.
Palpangil.
팔판동.
Oh, is it?
네, 팔판동.
25 to 6 Jongno-gu.
종로구 팔판동. 104.
Ah, beautiful day. So this is my accommodation for the next, I think, 18 days. And I thought, when I saw this on Airbnb, sort of traditional buildings, I thought, you know, I've stayed in a hotel for 2 weeks. Let's try something a little bit different. And this, my God, underfloor heating. It's like super toasty on the feet. Super cute, super tiny, but hey, you know, this is all I need. I need a bed. Courtyard. That's my view from my room. Just met Hyun, who's the owner. Super cool guy. Really nice that he's let me check in early. Normally it's like it should be 3 o'clock check-in, but he's allowed me to check in. Well, he said I could just leave my bags here at the office, but he said no, you can have the room from now. So really appreciative, fantastic. So good of him to do that. Oh my God, I love this place.